through numbers 2 through 4, okay? But I just want to give you guys a little idea about what's going on in terms of these problems, okay? So, who can read number 1 for me? Anyone. I'll take anybody. Will, go ahead. William, sorry.
Julie is picking teammates for her flag football team. She picks 3 girls for every boy.
Okay, so William, can you be my boy up here that I picked, that she picked on her team? Come up. Come on up. Okay, so now what? Come up to the front. Alright, and now, what 3 girls in here like to play football? Anyone? How about sports in general? Alright, I got Elijah. Alright, so these are the 3 hands that I saw first, so come on up here. Come on up, you're on my football team, let's go.
I gotta throw
Okay, so this is the proportion of the girls to boys on my football team. Does everybody see this? There's 1 boy, there's 3 girls, right? Okay, so what does it say on this top of this little chart? So see this chart here that we're filling in for A?
Yeah.
Can everybody see that? Everybody looking at their packet? So there's 1 boy, how many girls are there? I'll help you guys out.
4.
1 boy, how many girls? 3 girls, right?
Yeah.
Did you see this? Pretty easy? Everybody with me so far? Is everything sorted out back there? Everybody's got 1 packet? You good? Okay. So, now, the reason I put this here is because this is the equation that we're working with right now. So, on this axis, what axis is this? Who can tell me what this axis is? Y axis, right? Perfect. And what axis is this? X. So then what does this Y represent?
Y.
It represents
Girls.
Represents you? Girls? Exactly, it represents girls. So this is girls, which means that the X is going to represent boys. Perfect. So that means that this is girls again, so the 3 girls are going to equal just 1 of William. So can someone solve this for me on their paper? If there are 3 girls, right? 3 is going to equal this proportion. This is the constant. This is what we're working on. Proportional relationships. So there's always going to be this number here that's determining the relationship between Y and X. William is my X, girls are my Y. Does everybody get that? So like this is going to be the setup of all these equations that we're working with. This is what like a proportional relationship is because something equals another variable times this constant number. Does everybody, that's where I think we might have a little confusion, but does everybody get that? There's just that one number that's like relating these two and it's multiplication. Okay? So, now say, who's another boy who plays football here? Who loves football? I saw this hand first. Come on up. Come on up.
Ooh.
Sorry to take Okay, so now we have 2 boys up here. So let me draw out a little map, right? I don't know what. You don't need to stay right there for me for a little bit? For me? Yeah, a little bit. Thanks. Okay, so this is our equation that we're working with, people, right? This is what we have. So first we just had Will. We just had 1 boy. So we'll make our little X and Y over here. This is boys. This is girls. Okay. So first we just had Will, right? We just had 1 boy. And who can tell me how many girls we had when we just had Will? William, sorry. We had 3. Now how many boys do we have up here? 2. We have 2 boys up here. So now how many girls are we going to have?
You're gonna have 6.
No, hold on. So remember, this is the number we're working with, right? And I said it was multiplication, so this is going to be times 3. So then what does this have to be?
3.
Times 3 again, right? So 2 times 3, anybody shout it out.
6.
There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. So now, can I get a total of 6 girls up here to play football with me? Anybody?
I mean, I don't think that.
Come on up. I need 6 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 1 of you. I mean, you know what? I'll count. I play football. We're good. So now we have this same. They're both related. Does everybody get this? It's both. This proportional constant is times 3. So this stays the same. What's changing is just like these numbers, but the relationship between them is staying the same. And so when we put this on a graph, this is what's going to show that straight line. that because that relationship between those numbers is staying the same. Does everybody get that? Everybody good? All right. Thank you for being my volunteers. Can we get a little round of applause for them?